Hi, welcome to Mobile NCK Reader. In this video, we show you the new iPad Pros 2021. First, please support us by subscribe and activate the bell. Let's start the video after this break. Apple has been promising it since the original iPad launched, but its slates, while quite popular, never truly replaced PCs. The new iPad Pro models that were unveiled on Tuesday are the first one we can believe are a credible threat. That is because in a way they are PCs. The iPad Pro 11, 2021 and 12.9, 2021 are powered by the same Apple M1 chipset as the latest MacBooks and the new iMac, also announced this week. These slates are not substantially different from the fanless MacBook Air. You can even configure them with up to 16 GB of RAM and 2 TB of storage. The Thunderbolt port is going to be a big deal too. It offers speeds up to 40 gigabits per second, which is enough to drive a 6K external monitor and still have bandwidth left over to connect to external storage. This will open up the possibility to connect external devices over PCIe. At the very least, we may see some very interesting docks for the new iPad Pros. Also, the new slates have optional 5G connectivity, including mmWave in the US for speeds up to 4 gigabits per second. These can be the road warrior's dream computer. The center stage feature of the ultra-wide 12-megapixel front camera certainly makes them ideal Zoom machines. The Liquid Retina XDR display, aka the first mini-LED panel on a tablet, will be great for use outdoors. It has a full-screen brightness of 1000 nits, and with 2500 local dimming zones, it will have great contrast too. That is only available on the iPad Pro 12.9, 2021, mind you. The 11-inch model gets the same old Liquid Retina display with 600 nits brightness. Both offer 120Hz refresh rate, as well as HDR10 and Dolby Vision. With these two, you can edit videos in Lumafusion. The M1 chip is fast enough to handle high-resolution footage. You can draw with the pencil and type with the Magic Keyboard that turns the iPad Pros into small laptops. Also, Apple has been pushing iPad OS and Mac OS closer together. You still can't run Mac apps on the iPad, but you can run iPad apps on a Mac. This encourages developers to make apps for the iPad and kill two birds with one stone. The iPad Pro 11, 2021 starts at $800, which gives you 8 GB of RAM and just 128 GB storage. If you want that 12.9-inch mini-LED display, prices start at $1,100. Note that only the 1 TB and 2 TB versions have 16 GB of RAM. Below is a more detailed breakdown. The Mobile NCK Reader team thanks you for watching our videos. Do not forget to subscribe and activate the bell. Thank you and goodbye.